Good early morning, fellow Plexers. Now, if you've watched my channel, you know that my media is on my Synology DS1520 Plus NAS. I run a test server there and a test server on my older Synology NAS, and I also have multiple test servers on a bench system. Over a year ago, I moved Plex server from the Synology NAS as a Docker container to a little 11th gen NUC running Unraid. And I've just updated to Unraid 7.0.0. I decided to push my luck and do it immediately. I'm like a couple days after it came out. And what I used to have is a single flash drive that served as my one required array device. I've been able to remove that because Unraid 7 allows you to create just a SSD array without having to have a rusty hard drive. And the flash drive was a trick, a way to get Unraid to start with just SSDs and a cache pool. So after I updated, I rebooted, and everything seemed to work. I have a delayed action where it takes about 8 minutes for everything to come back up. I've set this up so that if I lose power, my Unraid is signaled from my Synology NAS, which is signaled by the UPS that it's hooked to shut down within a couple minutes of losing power, and then it starts back up with my Synology NAS. But because the Synology NAS takes longer to share a folder on a fresh boot than it does for Unraid to start up and start working, I've delayed the mounting of my SMB shares, which just happened, and then I've also delayed the starting of my Docker files. So that takes about a full 7 or 8 minutes, and the array just started. And you notice that I do not have to have that flash drive anymore. I was able to remove it. So my theory is when you follow all the rules, just like with Plex server, when you follow the rules you need to know about with Unraid, you don't have any problems doing a major version update. And that's my case tonight. I don't know if any bugs will pop up, but the array restarted, my containers restarted, and then I had to stop the array to remove my one flash drive that was serving as my one required array device under Unraid 6 or 6 point whatever. So we're getting close. Okay, so those containers have started. I'm still working on 2 more starting. And so you see how they're delayed, 300 seconds or 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 seconds. So we'll watch channels DVR start next. It just started, and Plex is the last one to start up because I want to make sure that my shares right here from the Synology NAS are mounted. So that just started, and it looks like I've successfully survived the Unraid 7 update, and I was also able to remove that dummy flash drive that I needed. So all is well in Plexland here, and no one was streaming off my server. Let's bring it up over here. Okay. No one was streaming off my server. A couple people were when I went to bed late last night, and I didn't update last night, and it's been busy all day long. So tonight no one was trying to watch anything, and I did my update, and everything seems to be just right. Thanks for watching, and happy plexing.